folks, DIY enthusiasts and homesteaders. This is the second part of the parade float episode. And as you can see in the first episode, we went through the process of making the costume for my partner, who's going to be in this parade with me. And today we're going to work on my part of the costume. It's going to be a separate. And as you can tell from the last episode, things change all along the way. That's part of being creative. The creative process is that you can work with what you have, and you keep letting your instincts guide you. And so for my costume, I made this mesh. I had this monkey mask and had this old trench coat here. So I'm going to put the trench coat on the monkey and down my waist and mount this on here, and then I'll have my upper body, fake legs going through here with his arms wrapped around, and then I'll have my arms free, and then I can walk around and it'll look like the monkeys. Off to the parade. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.
On, get back there! Push! Show there! Look at those hips! Oh, anybody want to ride the monkey? Oh, easy there, monkey! Come on! Get along there! She's alive and real! That's right, young lady! That's the scorpion lady! Get along, lady! Come on! Scorp lady! You get bit by the scorp! You don't want to get bit by the scorp! Whoa, monkey! Whoa! Thunder! Where's the rest of the parade? Getting too tired. You're gonna let this scorpion lady outrun you, monkey? Come on! It's a race to the finish! Come on, monkey, dance. What are you looking at? You ever seen a monkey before?
CJ Bags.
Here are the EMTs when you need them. Okay. A little further. Here we go.
Let you stay right there, folks. I know it's bears at the church.
Number 17.
The scorpion lady.
The scorpion lady is right. She's alive and real.
Wow. She looks wicked. Wow. And this praise circus master.
Further, monkey. He's gonna lay down, I think. He's going down. He's going down. Come on, monkey, get up, get up, get up. Oh, there we go. All right. We're gonna put the kick on here, monkey. Here we go. Come on, monkey. He can do it. Oh. Get away from my monkey. Keep your distance, scorpion lady. Watch out for those claws here. Right in here, scorpion. Hey! Where are those fire hoses when we need them?
Is he just gonna stay there?